Question 7. The diagram shows a square of side length 12. Inside the square are 8 congruent trapeziums and a shaded square. First thing we need to do is understand what this word congruent means. Well, congruent just means identical. They're the same shape and size, but they have been rotated. So if two shapes are congruent, they are identical, but can be rotated. That's what the word congruent means. It then says the side length of the shaded square is 6 centimeters. What is the area of one of the trapeziums? Well, this question is all about area. So what we're going to do is we're going to work out the total area of the large square. Then we're going to work out the area of the smaller square. We're going to take that smaller square out of the larger square by subtracting. And whatever area is left, we're going to share equally amongst these 8 trapeziums. And this is how we're going to write it down. So, in our working out box, our method is as follows. So, area of large square. Well, we're told that the side length is 12. And it says so here. So, area of the large square is going to be length times width, which is 12 times 12, which is 144 centimeters squared. So that's the area of the large square. Now we're going to work out the area of the small square. We're told that the area of the small square, the length of the small square, was 6. So this is a 6 by 6, because remember a square has all sides the same, so 6 by 6. So area of small square, again you do length times width, so this time it's 6 times 6, which is 36 centimeters squared. So what is left must be the area of the trapezium. So if you take out the 36 from the 144, which is the total, so if you take away the 36 out of the 144, whatever's left will be split equally between these 8 trapeziums. So we need to subtract. So what is left for the trapeziums? So it's 144, subtract 36. It is a calculator paper, so we might as well take advantage. So it's 144 subtract 36. So there is 108 centimeters squared left. But remember that there are 8 trapeziums. So all we need to do now is share 108 divided by 8. And what we get will be our answer for each one. So each trapezium, it's 108 divided by 8, and that is going to equal, and it's worked out nice so we can get it straight in the answer box. So 108 divided by 8 is 13.5 centimeters squared, and that's your final answer in the answer box. So each one of these is 13.5. As a quick check, what we will do is we will work out 8 lots of 13.5. So 13.5 times by 8. Let's check that. 13.5 times by 8. That's 108. And then remember we've got the smaller square, which was 6 by 6, 36. So if we add on 36, we get 144. And that now makes everything that we can see there 144. And don't forget that the large square was 12 by 12, which is 144. Therefore, our answer of 13.5 centimeters squared for each trapezium must be correct.